All right. Okay, so the last problem we're going to look at in this video, okay, we're getting a little bit more complicated, but it's still going to be fine. We're going to do the same thing where we're going to draw the skeletal structure for this third problem. Like previously, here's where you would hit pause. Otherwise, I'm going to go ahead and continue. So still going to do the same strategy. I'm still going to get rid of all of my hydrogens. So I'm going to get rid of all of these hydrogens that are on carbons. Okay. Now, here's the thing. I now have hydrogens on a nitrogen. Since that nitrogen has to be shown whenever I do my skeletal structure, I am not going to erase the hydrogens here. So, whenever you're doing skeletal structures, if you have hydrogens on atoms that are not carbon, you do have to write those hydrogens, okay? Only hydrogens on carbon will not be shown in our implied. Okay, so now I kind of have the basis for my skeletal structure. I see that I have 6 carbons that are in a ring. So I'm going to draw a 6-membered ring. You will get better at this, so if it doesn't look the best, it's okay. Everyone's looks bad when they first start organic, even mine. Okay. Another thing that we notice is that we can see that there are alternating double bonds in this ring. So that's known as a benzene ring when you see that. We're just going to add the double bonds. And the way to represent the double bonds is just adding a second line where you want those double bonds to be. So that's it. We have the ring portion of our structure done, but I can see that we still have 2 carbons coming off the benzene ring. So I'm going to draw 2 carbons right here. Make sure that you do not include the carbon of the benzene ring. That would be this carbon right here. So just make sure that you don't miss carbons. It's very easy to do, so just be careful. And then lastly, we're going to take care of this NH2 group. So there's a lot of temptation for people to just write NH2 at this point and be done. That would be incorrect, because in that case, you would have lost your carbon, because that means you have a carbon here and then the nitrogen there. So be careful. Instead of just automatically writing the NH2, you're going to draw the bond to that nitrogen and then write your NH2. So now we have our 2 carbons coming off the benzene ring, which are here, and then we have our amine or NH2 group there. All right, so that is how we draw our skeletal structures of our from our Lewis structures. Yeah, so hopefully that wasn't too bad.